In today's video, I will show how you can create how-to avatar videos using HeyGen completely for free, so make sure you watch this video till the very end. You can use the first link in the description to sign up for HeyGen and claim your free account. After you have successfully signed in, you will see a page like this. Since we are building a video from scratch, scroll down and click on Start from Scratch. Over here, click on New Video. The first step in the video creation process is writing a script. If you already have a script prepared, you can simply copy and paste it here or type it manually. If you don't have a script and want AI to generate one for you, you can use HeyGen's script writer feature. Simply click on it and describe the topic of your script, the tone you want, and any other relevant details. Once you provide this information, the AI will generate a script for you. Another option is that you may already have a script along with a recorded voiceover. In that case, you can click on Upload Audio and upload your audio file here. Once your script has been added, it is time to select the character that will appear in your video. By default, you can see that we have an avatar selected here. If you want to change the avatar's look or location, click here and you will find different variations that you can use in your video. You can choose whichever one best suits your content. As you can see, there's a huge variety available, which gives you much more flexibility than recording videos yourself. If you don't want to use the default avatar and would prefer a different character, click here and you will see 3 different avatar options. The first option is to clone a real person, which is essentially yourself. All you need to do is record a video of yourself that captures your appearance, movements, and voice. HeyGen can then create a digital version of you that can be used in future videos. The second option is to create a virtual character. You can either upload photos or design a character using AI and then use that custom-created character in your videos. The third option is public avatars. These are ready-made avatars that anyone can use. At the moment, we're using a public avatar, but you can choose from many other options as well. As you scroll down, you will find avatars of different ages, professions, genders, ethnicities, and styles. This makes it easy to find a presenter that matches the type of content you want to create. To summarize, you have 3 ways to choose a presenter. The first is cloning yourself by uploading a reference video. The second is creating a virtual AI character. And the third is selecting from HeyGen's extensive library of public avatars. Next, you can choose the voice for your video. Click on the Voices section and you will be able to clone your own voice, create a new AI-generated voice, choose from an existing voice library, or import a voice from another source. The next step in our video creation process is gathering footage or recording your screen. Since we're creating how-to videos, we'll mostly be working with screen recordings. To record your screen, you can use a tool like OBS Studio or other free screen recorders. Once you have recorded all of the footage you need, return to HeyGen. Click on the plus icon, select Assets, and then drag and drop your screen recordings here. These files will be uploaded and made available for use in your video project. You can also use HeyGen's built-in editor to trim clips, remove unwanted sections, cut silences, and make other basic edits. Now it's time to start assembling the video. Click here on Options. This allows you to bring all of your assets together in one place. First, add your script. Then select your avatar. After that, choose your voice. Next, select your preferred style or brand settings. You can also provide custom instructions to the AI if you want specific results. Finally, attach all of your files by clicking on Attachments. Once everything has been configured, click on Continue. At this point, you can either allow the AI to create the video automatically or build the video step by step yourself. One of the best things about HeyGen is that you don't always have to start from scratch. If you're an experienced editor, you can create everything manually. However, if you're a beginner and want a faster workflow, HeyGen offers a large library of templates that you can use. Simply select a template that you like. As you can see, a professional video editor opens up. On the left side, you have your script, which you can edit at any time. Below that, you have your media and footage. In the Preview section, you can see how your video looks in real time. You can choose different backgrounds for your avatar and customize the overall appearance of your video. You can also add media files, text, icons, transitions, animations, and other visual elements.
In addition, you can add music from HeyGen's built-in music library or upload your own music tracks. You can also add captions to your video and insert your screen recordings wherever needed. If you don't like the current template, you can switch to another template at any time. Next, we have the layer-based editor. This editor allows you to drag and drop elements, rearrange scenes, and customize every aspect of your video. Whether you want to build a video from scratch or edit an existing template, everything can be adjusted here. As you can see, this template is already pre-built, but you can change virtually everything, including the background, the avatar, the character's clothing, the layout, and other design elements. You can also add transition effects and animations to make your videos look more engaging and professional. Once you are satisfied with your video, click on Generate. Enter a title for your video. Then click on Submit. After the video has been generated, you can download it and use it wherever you like. And that's how you can create professional how-to avatar videos using HeyGen completely for free. If you want a detailed step-by-step tutorial on how to build a website using Base 44, then be sure to check out the video on your screen right now.